Hi, I'm going to give a recap of the Erika saw and just show people the controls. So at the moment we're stood at the front. Now this is the control panel, all nicely laid out. Green button is a restart stop, as a restart button, and the red button to stop. Now we've also got variable control. And for your variable control, if you're wondering what speed to set it at, it goes from A, which is 2100, to G, which is 4200 revolutions a minute. It also shows you the recommended speeds. So aluminium is recommended from A to D. Then for timber is recommended from E to G, depending if it's like hardwood or softwood. Plies is G, and for veneered timber is F and G, and also plastic is recommended from D to G. And it also tells you the blade sizes, which is 225, but it will do 210mm to 225. So at the front we have the knob. This is the handle for lowering the height. Then on the front, as this is a push-pull saw, right, that's it locked in. So to pull it out, we push the red button, and that allows us to pull it in or out. Then if we want to change it to a normal table saw, we want the blade to be in the middle. So we pull it out, and then with the other hand, I've got the phone in my hand so I can't show you, but we turn this lock. That's it locked in now. And then to release it, all we do is just simply turn it back and let it go. Then we've got the angle adjustment from 0 to 45. So to loosen, we loosen this lever here and tighten as well. So, and then that's it, set. Now you've got a positive stop at 0 and 45. Now we can undercut to -3, and then we can overcut to 48 degrees, and we turn this lever here. And that allows us to go past the stops. And your red pointer points to your angles. So -3 to 48 degrees. Then on top of the saw, we have 0. Now 0 represents a blade, but the 0 between them is set for the Mafell blades or the Festool. There is others, but it's for the calf, the 2.5mm calf. And then you've got your sizes on both sides, from right to left or left to right on this side. And we also have the corresponding sizes at the back on both sides. So you could have a long a long fence at the front, and then with a clamping piece, clamp it like for ply sheets or something that's, you want it nice and solid. I don't have, but some people do. Now, the riving knife moves up or down to allow through cuts to be done. Now on your riving knife we have the scales. Now 72mm, so this is the one for when it's pushed down, and the size lines up with the bottom of the table. And then we lift it up. We now use this scale. So the scale you read off is the one that's going plumb up and down. And the scale is on both sides. Now round the saw we have a V-groove, and this allows you to attach your accessories to slide about. The saw, I have the Erika 70, so it comes standard with the universal fence. And it fits like so. So to loosen it, we loosen this knob, and that slides along the V and position wherever we want. And tight. Now, to move it in or out, we loosen this knob here, and that allows us to move fence in or out and tighten to where we want. Then on top we have the angle scale, which in the middle is 0 and 90 and 90, so it turns 180 degrees. And every 15mm it positively locks in, and this knob is to tighten it. But below here there is a button that we can actually push in, and that turns the positive stops off, and then we can just push it back, and that's then tightened back up. And then this lever here clamps the fence, so we can loosen it and move it back and forth.